Now we'll start learning Python more. Open IDLE, click enter. Create a new file, place it side by side. Okay. In Python, we had different types of data types like int, float, and complex for numerical data types, and boolean whether it's true or false, and a string for text. We'll start writing one by one example for each data type, and writing hash before a statement is called comment. Comment will not execute during compilation, and the main use of writing comment is that it's like a description about description about writing something like a function. This function is a prime function, will print a plus b, mean it's an addition function, like that. Now we'll start writing example for each data type. I'll remove this. In Python, we don't need to mention like int a, float b, and we don't need to put semicolon 2. In Python is a dynamically typed programming language. We can just write like a equal to 5 and b equal to 2, c equal to 2.4. Python will classify the data type based on the value we given to that variable. Now I'll show the class of that. Now I'll show the type of A and type of C. I'll save the program, data type, and I'll run the program. As you can see, int and float means this A is an int type, and this C 2.4 is an float type. The compiler will directly understand the data type based on the value assigned to that variable. And let's write an example for complex data type. Complex data type is nothing but an real and imaginary values, like 2 plus 3j, and let enter and print type of D, and let's save the program and run once again. As you can see, it's a complex data type. Here 2 is a real number and 3j is an imaginary number in a plane. Bool is nothing but a data type which has only two values, whether it's true or false. Bool is a keyword which has true or false, like A is true and B is false. Now let's see the type of A and type of B, and we need to print the two bool values, and I'll save the program again and I'll hit run. See, the A and C values are bool data types, and in Python every data type and every keyword will be in lowercase only. Even print or reading input like input or bool, int, float, like while, for, break, and many more. There are total 33 keywords in Python programming language. We can assign any name to a variables except keywords, because keywords are reserved in Python programming language. And I'll clear this and I'll show you how to take an input from user. In Python, every input will be considered as string. Like a is equal to input is a keyword with two open and close brackets, and I'll take input from user A and I'll print that A and type of that A. I'll save again and I'll click run. I'll enter 5. You can see 5 is a class string, means it is a string data type, not an integer data type. So we need to convert this A to integer data type. To convert to integer data type, we need to use a keyword called int of variable name, where here variable name is A. I'll assign A equal to int of A, means we are taking input from user, it's a string data type, and we are converting and we are converting that string to integer using int keyword and assigning the result to the A variable. And I'll run again. I'll save the program. I'll enter 5. As you can see, 5 is an integer data type. Like this, how we need to take the input from the user and convert to the integer data type if needed. If not, we can proceed with the string data type. And there is one more way to convert directly to integer by writing input inside int keyword, like int of input. Here in compilation it goes like this. First it will read the input from the user, and that input will be converted into integer data type, and the result will be stored in A. Now I'll print A. I'll remove this code. I'll save, Control S, and I'll hit enter. Now I'll enter 5 again, one more number like 7. As you can wait, I'll show you. Print type of A and save, and once again run. 7, hit enter. As you can see, 7 is an integer data type. Like this, we need to convert the input statement. And that's it for now, and in the next video we'll see about strings.